At the meeting point of the Rhine and Main rivers lies one of Germany's oldest and most culturally rich cities, Mainz. Known as the heart of the Rhineland, Mainz is a place where history, art, and the gentle flow of the river come together in perfect harmony. As the drone glides above the city, the first thing that captures the eye is the magnificent Mainz Cathedral, a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture that has watched over the city for nearly 1,000 years. Its red sandstone walls rise proudly above the old town, a silent guardian of centuries past. Around the cathedral, a maze of narrow cobblestone streets leads to charming squares filled with cafes, flowers, and laughter. The colorful half-timbered houses of Augustinerstrasse and the lively Marktplatz make Mainz feel like a walk through a living postcard. But Mainz is not only about beauty, it's also the birthplace of a revolution that changed the world. Here, in the 15th century, Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press, giving humanity the power to spread knowledge across continents. The Gutenberg Museum still stands as a tribute to that moment, preserving ancient texts and printing tools that forever shaped human history. As the sun begins to set, the banks of the Rhine River come alive. Locals and travelers gather to enjoy the golden light reflecting off the water. Boats drift by, and music fills the air, a reminder that Mainz is a city that knows how to celebrate life. Beyond the city center, the gentle hills of Rheinhessen stretch into the distance, covered in vineyards that produce some of Germany's finest wines. The scent of grapes and the taste of Riesling reflect the deep connection between Mainz and its land. At night, the city glows with warmth. The cathedral lights shimmer on the river's surface, and the historic buildings seem to whisper stories from another time. Mainz is both ancient and young, a city that honors its past while embracing the rhythm of the present. In every stone, every breeze, and every glass of wine, Mainz tells its story, one of resilience, creativity, and timeless charm. It is not just a place on the map, it is the living soul of the Rhine.